Hello everyone, welcome to the full course online. In this video, we are going to look at the graphics requirements for Windows 11 installation. You need a graphics card compatible with DirectX 12 or later, with a WDDM 2.0 driver. Display requirements are that the computer graphics card must support a resolution equal to 720 pixels or higher than that. The diagonal screen size should be a minimum of 9 inches. The color depth should be at least 8 bits per color channel. Let us see. Check our computer for these requirements. The very first and basic step is to right-click on your desktop and go to Display Settings. There is a list of resolutions that this graphics card or monitor can support. You can see the minimum requirements for Windows 11. The second way to find out information about your GPU is press Ctrl, Shift, and the Escape key. Go to the Performance tab and click on GPU. You can find out the model of this graphics card. How much memory is allocated to the GPU? How much shared memory is it using? And what percentage is it utilizing right now? The DirectX X version is also given, which is 12 in this case. There is another way to find out the information. Press the Windows key plus R to bring up the Run window. Type DXDIAG. It shows the summary. DirectX version can be seen, which is 12. Click on the Display tab. The graphics card model. Manufacturer. The memory it is using. The memory allocated for the graphics card. And the current display size. One last way to find out is to go to Settings. Click on the System. And the very first option is to display. The resolutions this PC supports are given. Click on Advanced Display Settings. The desktop resolution and refresh rate are given, which is 60 Hz. The bit depth is also given here, which is 8 bits and the minimum requirement for Windows 11. Thank you for being with us.